was not what I had planned, not what I had coming. Not the sins of the father or my own for that matter. It was a common trip and fall, with a bloody knee and tearing of the dress that I was wearing. Nothing more and nothing less. So don't mistake my face as mine gone quiet. I'm smiling inside, and I'm thinking you should try it. I see the wings of history in flight, the paradoxical morning light, when darkness is the wake-up call and our city laughs through the pain. All we want is ordinary gains. We don't need a windfall to invest our all. It is Lent and sickness seeps into everything conceivable, yet all is well with my soul. I'm holding on and letting go. 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 I raise the child, I read the book. I'm less concerned with how I look. I kiss the man, I shape the clay. I'm the story of a woman at play, on any given best case kind of day. There will not be time enough to love everything and everyone. More word about conviction might be noble, beautiful, or a mess of contradictions and fistfuls of rules. You can care through despair, care through shiny victories, care through communion, and care through unbelief, but you gotta care. Always care.